Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the AutoCAD course. This is our fourth lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss some important commands used in AutoCAD. Here, first I want to show you if we are drawing a plan of a road and we have to draw the curve in the road. So, how we draw the curve in the road? Let's we draw here. First we will use the polyline command, short key PL, polyline. Here it is also polyline. You can also draw the polyline by here first, but I am using here polyline short command PL, and I am going to ortho mode on, so my line will be straight. Press F8. I press F8 and now my line is straight. Here I draw, here click the mouse, and here again now I want to show here that there is a road in the curve. There is a curve on the road. I want to show it in the AutoCAD how we do it. Here you can see different options in the draw toolbox. In the command toolbox you will see different options. Here select arc, or if you do not want to select here, then you need to just type A. I will now type A type, then press enter. Now it here you can draw the arc, but see these command box. This command box is very important. It will guide you. Must read it when you are working on the AutoCAD. Here it's demanding us different options for arc. I will select here second point, that I pick the second point by my own, and the arc will be drawn. So just click on the second point or press S by the keyboard. I will press S by the keyboard, or select by mouse this. I press S, then press enter. Now I will pick the second point where I want to make the curve of this road. Let me pick this second point. Now you will see our curve on the road can be drawn. Here I will draw the curve on the road. Here now you can see I draw the curve on the road. Now again press enter. So this is how we draw the curve on the road. You can see, if now this is just a solid line for the road plan. Now if I want to explode it, make it different, make to divide it, here I will use explode command. Press X, type X. Here type X. X is the short key for explode. Then press enter. Then select the object which you want to explode. I want to explode this object. Select this, then press enter again. Now you will see the line is broken here. So now if I want to change its radius or the angle of this curve, I can change it by here. Just pick this point, and here pick this point. You can stretch it down or up as per your desire. It's mean you can modify your curve after drawing your curve. Now I can modify it. So I will pick it here. It's showing this ortho 11 feet, 12 feet. This is the radius of this arc. Here I will draw it here. This is how you can now change the radius of the arc or angle also. You can draw this arc by angle by yourself. So this is I draw the road, and I show you the curve how to draw the curve on the road. I am again select this arc, then select this second point. Here I want to draw this curve. You can see this is how you can draw the curve on the road plan. This is the single line because here I want to show this is single line because we draw this by the polyline, because polyline is a solid single line whenever you are working by polyline, and the line is by the sections. So here it will show two sections of this line. Now I want to join this line by this point. So for this we have command, we already work on that command, J for join command. Press enter, then select the object which you want to join, then press enter. Now this command is also single polyline. This line is also polyline. Okay, so here we use the polyline and arc command to draw the road and the curve in the road. Next we have the command spline command. Spline, here we first select fit points. There are different methods to draw the spline. Here first this is method go to draw, and other you can see here. Here is the spline option, you can see, just draw it. This is mainly used for, here you will see the message, create a smooth curve that passes through or near specified points. So it is spline command is mainly used for drawing the lakes and sometimes jogging tracks. It is mainly used because it makes the smooth curves. So we can easily draw by using this command, or we have short key for it, SPL short key for spline command. This is mainly, this command is used for drawing the lakes, and here I will sorry, this is not looks like a lake. Let me show you again. Yeah, it mainly used for drawing the lakes or jogging tracks because it makes smooth curves. So this command is best suited for drawing lakes and jogging tracks. Here I will draw again some. You will see we can draw lakes with different shapes, like nowadays people draw lakes like a fish shape or any other. So we can draw these lakes and jogging tracks by this command because it makes smooth curves easily. Here we try to make this lake by using spline command. Here you can also stretch it as per your requirements. Here you can stretch it to make it more better. So spline is the command used for making smooth curve, mainly for the purpose of lakes and jogging tracks in the plan. So here you can also change its radius, its angle of this curve. It is showing solid one line, polyline. You can also divide it by using explode command. Next command we have ellipse. we can draw ellipse by three methods. First, go to draw, and here select ellipse. Then here first center. There are three types of ellipse, but we will study here this first one, center. So this is one method to draw ellipse. Second method to draw ellipse is here. You can see ellipse mainly used for here. In the message you can also study create an elliptical arc ellipse. So, and short key for ellipse command is EL. EL is the short key for ellipse command. You can see in the command box. Here I will select it. Now we will draw ellipse. The purpose of ellipse is mainly, one of the purpose is it is used where we want to if we are working on the project and somewhere is the building, historical building is crossing our project and we want to preserve that, so we just draw the ellipse on that, so it will show us that it is the place which we have to preserve. And or if anywhere on the project there is electrical tower, so if we want to show the electrical tower, in that case we also draw the ellipse. So there are multiple purpose of drawing the ellipse. Let me draw it now. Here you will see center. This is the, here I will pick the second point. We can draw the ellipse here. If we want to again draw it, press enter again because our command is active. Here you can draw it ellipse. This is mainly used for electrical towers, to show the electrical towers, and we draw it where we want to preserve our historical buildings also. Here I want to show you the rectangle command again. I want to show you more features used in rectangle command. Here we can draw the rectangle command by here go to draw option, here rectangle, or here we have on the left we have the option rectangle, or we have the short command for rectangle REC. You will see rectangle. So to draw the rectangle I want to show you here. You can draw the rectangle by different options. Here is a chamfer option for you, elevation option, fillet option, thickness option. Let me show you here width option. You will see here width for the rectangle is 0 feet. If you let me type it 5 feet width of the rectangle, you will see how to draw the rectangle by width. Then here every time when you are working on the AutoCAD desk, must read these command messages. It's very important. They will guide you to work. Here now I will draw this rectangle. You can see that width of the rectangle is 5 feet here. This is the width is 5 feet, and here it is by the chamfer. So because now I will show you again. Type the REC rectangle. Here go to chamfer. This is fillet, I think 30. Here the fillet was 30 feet, so that's why it is showing that. So let me now draw again the rectangle. I will chamfer. I will provide the fillet here 0 feet. I will provide the fillet 0 feet. Then now I will draw the rectangle. You can see now it's rectangle at meeting at 90 angle here. So here actually was the fillet of 30 feet. That's why it's showing here. It's mean you can also draw the rectangle by fillet, or using chamfer fillet. So let me show you how you can draw by the chamfer also. Here type chamfer. If you want to chamfer it by 5 feet your rectangle, then press enter. Here now you will draw the rectangle. You draw the triangle. It is here chamfered by 5 feet. You can see it is chamfered by here 5 feet. Now I will show you the arc command. Again I am repeating some command to make you better at the basic. Here on the left you have the option arc, or you can go to the draw option. Here you can select arc, 3-point arc, or you can do it by short command. Short command we have for arc is A or C is the command for arc. Sorry, A is just A is the command for short key for arc. Arc. Here I will now draw the arc, 3-point arc. I draw this arc. Know how you can check the radius of this arc. Also go to dimension. Here go to arc length. This will show you the arc length. Here you can see this is the arc length, 2505 feet. That's so much. Here I also want to show you that you can override the text also. Here you can override the text if you want. Whenever you are working on this AutoCAD, you want to override the text, you can do it by here this option, text override. Here you can override it. Let me do it and then press enter. You can see here your text is override. So this is how you can override your text also. Just selecting that and then go in the property, then go in the option of text override. Though this is you check the arc length, you can also check the arc radius. Here click on the radius in the dimension option, then click here, click again here. Now you will see this is the radius of the arc. Radius mean of arc from this side here to here at the center of the arc. Here this is the radius of the arc, which is you can see. Now you can override the text also. And here is what I want to show you. If you want to change this dimension text size, you can also by the dim style STY. Here you can go dim style, short key for dim style DIMSTY. Here go to modify. Here you can set primary units is already okay. Here you can set the height of the text. Here it is height of 20 feet. So here you can see the for the dimension symbols of arrow, you can change their size also, and the lines used in the dimension you can change their color also. Here you can see in the preview it's changed. So okay, then must set current here, close. Now we will discuss the point command. Point command is also very important one. Sometime when we are trying the map of city, when we want to show the location of graveyard or other important locations, we show them by points, by different point symbols. So points is also very important command. Let me show you how you can draw the point. First go to draw, and here you will see the point, single point option. Here it is not very visible because its size is very low. Let me show you how you can. This is the one method to draw the point. Second method is we have short key PO point. For this I draw the point but it's not visible. Here we go to format and go to point style. This is one option to go to point style. Other option is you can go type here DDP type. DDP type is the short key for point style change, to change the point style. Let me change the point style to this one. Let me take it this. Then here we will increase the size also. Let me take it 10. Okay, or here select set size relative to screen. That's okay, because it otherwise it will not clear visible. So set size relative to screen. Here click OK. Now you can see the points clearly. So here we can change the point style and point size also. And here how we change the points style, DDP type is the short key for here point style. Here you can change your desired point style, and their size also you can change. Now one more important purpose of point command is that if you want to divide your section, your line by the equal parts, then this point command is very useful to draw. This is the line I draw it. Now I want to divide it by 4 parts, and one method is just measure the dimension and then divide it by equally parts. It's really hectic to me to do it. It's here using point method you can easily divide it into 4 parts. Here I will show you. Now go to draw option, here go to point, then here click this divide, then select here, then press enter. And here type he is asking you divide, enter the number of segments in which you want to divide the line. I want to divide the line into number of segment 4. I want to divide the line into segments 4. Must read the message of this draw. So I divide the line by pressing enter into 4 parts. You can see this is one part, this is second part, this is third part, and this is fourth part. So this is how you can easily divide the section or line by using points short key.